Hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. We have total of 5 Sudokus of today in this newspaper, in the additional of this newspaper, May the 6th, Wednesday. We will continue with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars, so let's get started. Alright. I see an 8 in this row, an 8 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so in the first column the only place for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We have an 8 here, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, column, 4 in the third column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the number 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. I see a 5 in this row, a 5 in the row below, so in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be here. 6. These 3 numbers, the missing numbers in the last row, are the numbers 1, 6, and the 9. 1, 6, and the 9. 1, 6, and the 9. We have a 6 and a 1 here, so 1 digit left for the 9 should be here. Here we have the 6 and the 1, 6 and the 1. Alright. 3. The 3, 7, 2. Alright. A 1 in the last column, a 1 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this column. The numbers are the 9, the 5, and the 2. 9, 5, and the 2. Is this correct? 9, 5, and a 2. But where's the 3? 9. Oh, we have the 5 here. Sorry. Apologies. The 9, 2, and a 3. The 9, 2, and a 3. The 9, 2, and 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. One place left for the 9 should be here. The 2 and the 3, we have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. And now, okay. How about these 3 numbers in this big square? The missing numbers 3, 7, 6. 6. 3, 7, 6. I think I cannot fill this yet. 6, 6, 3, 3. And the 7, I cannot find the 7. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be here. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. I see here 7. No 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. These 3 boxes, the missing numbers here in this big square, the 1, the 8, and the 2 are missing. I see here the 1 and the 8. So no 1 and the 8 in this box. This should be a 2. So the 2 boxes left for the 1 and the 8. 1 and an 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1. And I mark these 2 boxes in this last row with the 6 and a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3, 7. How about 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 5 should be here. 2 and 3. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. In this 3 empty boxes of this row, the missing numbers here are the 7, the 5, and the 2. 7, 5, and the 2. We have a 7 here, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. The 5 and the 2 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this column for the number 6 and 8. No, we have the 8 here. 6 and 5. 6 and 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 7. One number left in this big square for the number 3. And then 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then these 3 numbers, 2 numbers of this big square. The missing numbers here, the 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes there. How about these 3 numbers in the third row? The missing numbers are the 7, the 2, we have the 2, 7, 8, and the 6. 7, 8, and the 6. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. So the only place for the 7 should be here. The 8 and the 6. The 8 and the 6 are left. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 8 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. 9 and 6. So it took so long. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. For a 2 stars, faster than the 1 star. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the 4 star Sudoku. Thank you and bye bye.